Hello, welcome to my online class. Uh, I am Mrs. Sandhya Raje, teaching English from Genuine Nanded. Today, let us continue regarding synonyms. Some words were left yesterday, so let me see these words first. Then let us go to antonyms. Okay, so these are the words: new, fresh, unique, original, unusual, novel, modern, current and recent. Okay. Write all these words in your notebook and keep the notebook ready. Old, feeble, frail, ancient, weak, aged, used, worn, dilapidated, racked, faded. So write all these words. Okay. So now let us go to antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that have contrasting or opposite meanings. Like so much of the English language, antonym is rooted in the Greek language. The Greek word anti means opposite, while onym means name. Opposite name that makes sense. Types of antonyms. Complementary. Complementary antonyms have no middle ground. Examples include boy, girl, off, on, night, day, entrance, exist, exterior, interior, true, false, dead, alive, push, pull, pass, fail. Relational. These are similar to complementary antonyms, except that both must exist for them to be antonyms of each other. Check out these examples: above, below, doctor, patient, husband, wife, servant, master, borrow, lend, give, receive, predator, prey, buy, sell, instructor, pupil. Graded. These antonyms deal with levels of comparison and they can be two words on a scale. Many are relative terms which can be interpreted differently by different people. Examples include young, elderly, hard, easy, happy, wistful, wise, foolish, fat, slim, warm, cool, early, late, fast, slow, dark, pale. Sometimes you don't need to search for another word entirely. It's possible to create an antonym simply by adding a prefix to the word. Some examples of antonyms created by adding the prefix dis are agree, disagree, appear, disappear, believe, disbelieve, honest, dishonest. Adding the prefix in can make the following opposites: tolerant, intolerant, decent, indecent, discreet, indiscreet, excusable, inexcusable. Examples of antonyms made by adding the prefix un are likely, unlikely, able, unable, fortunate, unfortunate, forgiving, unforgiving. Forgiving. By adding the prefix non, you can make these antonyms: entity, non-entity, conformist, non-conformist, payment, non-payment, sense, non-senses. Just add non and it will become antonym. Using the prefix mis, create antonyms like behave, misbehave, interpret, misinterpret, lead, mislead, trust, mistrust. So there are some antonyms given here. For one word, there are so many antonyms here. Just go through all the words. I'll just read it for you. Begin, start, open. Okay. These are the, actually they are not antonyms. Okay. They are the synonyms. Sorry. Here. Absence, presence, plenty, existence, enough. Accept, refuse, fail, deny, reject. So this is one word and these are the antonyms: accurate, inaccurate, indefinite, unreliable, faulty. Advantage. These words are the words and these four are antonyms: advantage, disadvantage, harm, importance, inferiority. Alive, dead, unconscious, sluggish, deceased, ancient, modern, current, fresh, new. Answer: question, query, quite, trouble. Approval, disapproval, denial, veto, refusal. Approached, receded, departed, leave, retreat. Abundant, scarce, lacking, sparse, meager. Admit, deny, repudiate, expel, oust. Advance, retreat, retire, behind, later. Artificial, natural, genuine, real, unaffected. Ascent, descent, drop, slump, decline. Attack, defense, flight, shelter, shield. Attention, inattention, disregard, lethargy, neglect. Asleep, awake, conscious, attentive, awake. Ally, enemy, antagonist, detractor, foe. Agree, disagree, reject, resist, object. Beginning, ending, finish, epilogue, finale. Blunt, sharp, polite, subtle, sharp. Blame, praise, approval, peace, gratification. Bitter, sweet, bland, pleasant, mild. Borrow, lend, forfeit, lend, return. Bravery, cowardice, timidity, fear, cowardice. It is repeated again, okay? Broad, narrow, quite, little, tiny. So go through all these words and write it down. Conceal, reveal, divulge, unwrap, ignore. Comfort, discomfort, gloom, injury, torment. Courage, cowardice, humility, timidity, irresolution. Cruel, kind, gentle, compassionate, mild. Courteous, discourteous, rude, uncivil, unrefined. Cunning, simple, ignorant, blunt, rough. Beautiful, ugly, drab, offensive, repulsive. Dainty, clumsy, ugly, inferior, coarse. Dark, light, distinct, evident, vivacious, deep, shallow, artless, flighty, tribal. Decrease, increase, expansion, growth, enlargement. Demand, supply, reply, offer, grant. Despair, hope, cheer, faith, pleasure. Disappear, appear, begin, solidify, coagulate. Dismal, cheerful, bright, intelligent, luminous. Ebb, flow, flow, repeated again here. Incline, expansion. Encourage, discourage, agitate, sadden, dispirit. Entrance, exist, conclusion, egress, leave. End, beginning, bottom, creation, origin. Expand, contract, diminish, shrink, shrivel. Expensive, inexpensive, cheap, worthless, reasonable. It is fail, okay? Fail, succeed, ascend, rise, reach. Feeble, sturdy, strong, powerful, expert. Foolish, wise, sane, realistic, serious. Famous, unknown, obscure, inferior, typical. Last, first, last, minor, revival, auxiliary. Freedom, captivity, slavery, inability, restraint. Frequent, seldom, ceasing, irregular, rare. Friend, enemy, foe, stranger, opponent. Fortunate, unfortunate, failing, lacking, losing. Frank, secretive, timidity, shy, evasive. Generous, mean, greedy, biased, prejudiced, gentle, rough, surely, surly, excited, harsh, gloomy, cheerful, lively, luminous, intelligent, giant, dwarf, pygmy, dwarf, repeated again, teeny. Happy, sad, miserable, serious, morose. Harmful, harmless, assisting, honest, fortunate. So go through all the words here. Okay, misunderstand, understand, comprehend, constitute, grasp, possible, impossible, unlikely, improbable, impossible, prudent, imprudent, foolish, indiscreet, stupid, rapid, slow, delayed, sluggish, languishing, okay, rigid, pliable, soft, gentle, pliant, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, intolerable, unreliable, inadequate. Scatter, collect, gather, maintain, combine. Serious, trivial, insincere, dishonest, deceptive. Sour, sweet, bland, calm, blah. Sorrow, joy, benefit, cheer, strong again, weak, idle, inactive. Thank you. Have a nice day.